Hello, the lovers of Vedic mathematics. As you know that now mathematics is going to be fun for you as you are getting expert of using different sutras and solving the sums within few seconds. In this example, I am going to show you the next formula for multiplication, the name of which is vertically and crosswise. Since all the numbers will not be close to a single base, like in previous videos, we did the sum when the one of the number was close to a particular base, 10,000, 100, etc., and all from 9. It is clearly a special case formula, but all the numbers will not be close to a single base. So we are now going to deal with the general formula which is applicable to all the cases of multiplication. Now a doubt might be in your mind that if there is a general formula, why we have done those above and below the base. You can use those sums, you can solve by vertically and crosswise, but using those previous sutras you will be doing that calculation much faster than this method when there is a particular case of the numbers near to the base. So let's start with the formula multiplication by vertically and crosswise. I am having this example here. None of the number is near to the base. You can say 10,000 and 100. So what we will be doing, as the name clear, it is vertically and crosswise. The rule is, first of all, multiply the vertical number starting from this end, then multiply the number crosswise and add them, and in the end again multiply the numbers vertically. Let's solve the example. Vertical number here are 3 2s are 6. Clear? And next, crosswise numbers I am having 4 3s are 12 and 2 1s are 2. So on adding I am getting 14. I will be writing 14 here just as we write with 1 as prefix, and in the end vertical number you are having 4 into 1. 4 1s are 4. So our answer is 6 4 5. I am taking one more example of 2-digit numbers multiplying 59 by 17. Now let's see, the formula was vertically crosswise. First we will be multiplying these two numbers which are vertical. So 9 7s are, we are getting here 63. Clear? Next, crosswise. Multiply 5 by 7, then multiply 9 by 1 and add them up. So we are getting 35. 7 5s are 35 plus 9 1s are 9. We are getting here, yes, you are right, it is 44. Clear? Again I repeat, you are to multiply 5 by 7, 5 by 7, the diagonal number 1 by 9. Add these two numbers, you will be getting 44. And what was the next step? Multiply vertical numbers. 5 1s are 5. So here in our case answer will be 3. 6 plus 4, 10. Then again you will be adding 5 plus 4, that is 9, and 1 we are to carry, 1 0 0 3. Let me show you again separately these two numbers. What we are doing, we are getting here 63, then after adding we are getting here 44, and then 5 1s are 5. So you are adding 3, 6 plus 4, 10, right? Then again 5 plus 4, 9, and you are getting 1 0 0 3. So it's really the magical formula vertically crosswise, because you can multiply any number of digits if you are taking 3-digit number, 4 digits number, within a single step you are easily doing the calculation. So to make the formula clear, I used examples of 2 digits. Next I will be taking example of 3-digit number so that it gets more clear to you. And so let me take another example now of 3 digits. When we are having 3 digits and we have to multiply in one single step using vertically and crosswise. Now it's just like we have done for 2 digits. Here what we will be doing, vertical numbers, then diagonal numbers. Now see, here are 2 sets of diagonal numbers. That is, one set is 2, 4, 6, 3. You are having another set will be 3, 1, 6, 3 from the last, and then vertical number 3 and 1. But here in between, here we are to multiply the numbers that we are having, all the 3 digits, in a way that we add them vertically and crosswise both. That is 3, 6, 2. Let's see, 3, 6, 2, 1, 3, 4. What we are doing? End numbers diagonal wise. Then second set of end numbers diagonal wise, and this middle number vertical, and we will be adding all these. So here we will be getting one more set here. Clear? Let me show you again by drawing these symbols. 1, 2 and 4, then second, then end diagonal numbers and the numbers vertical. Then again reverse process and vertical number. If you see, it is just like we multiply the polynomials, right? So we are, and in a symmetry we are moving from this end to end last in a pattern. Vertical, then cross, then end numbers multiplied, then add diagonal numbers and vertical numbers, and again in the end the same. So I show you the process in a systematic way following the pattern. Now first is diagonal number, set of diagonal numbers. We will multiply 2 and 4. 4 2s are 8. Then just like 2-digit number, we will multiply diagonal numbers and add them up. So you will be getting 6 4s are 24 plus 3 2s are 6. So you will be getting 30 here. And then the middle portion, multiply the diagonal numbers and the vertical number. 2 1s are 2 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 6 3s are 18. So we are having 32. Then the next pattern, number, 2-digit number, just like crosswise, we are having 3 into 3 9 plus you will be getting 6 1s are 6, right? So you are getting here 15, and the last step is again same, diagonal numbers, 3 1s are 3. Just look at the pattern again. First set diagonal number, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Then crosswise numbers, we are getting 30, just like 2-digit numbers. Then end diagonal numbers and vertical number mix. Then again diagonal number and this pattern. So what we are getting here is, let's see. First 4 2s are 8. I am having 8. Second number was 30. Third addition was 32. Then 15 and then 3. So our answer is 8, 0, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 and 3 plus 1, 4, 8. It is 4, 8, 5, 0, 8. Clear? Vertical, then cross, then vertical and cross together, and then cross and vertical again. The method may seem to you a bit difficult at a first glance, but when you try to do it yourself and following the set pattern, you will find that in a single step you are easily doing this calculation in just a few seconds. So I am here leaving you with some examples. Calculate, multiply 843 by 239. Just note down the time, in which time you are doing it, and confirm it from the calculator. Let's take another example. 359 multiplied by 793. Try to use it through traditional method and through this method, and then again after a practice of 1 week, let's meet to see how you have mastered this Vedic Sutra and how fast you do this calculation with me. So enjoy doing, dear friends. Wait for the next video and try doing Vedic Sutras yourself.